Hello and welcome to Esther's Gardening Adventures. I'm Esther and today I'm unboxing something I won from my friend Adrienne at Farmstead Smith on her live a week or two ago. She has a great channel. I definitely recommend checking it out. Obviously she has a farm by the name of it, but she's also an artist and she has, her farm has donkeys. I love her donkeys. And she also has bees. She farms bees or honey. Right? And so she is also an artist and she ends up doing a lot of drawing of nature and of bees and things like that. And so when I won, I got a shirt with a bee design on it from her. And we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. And if it fits, I tried to order a size that was big enough for me. It's kind of difficult because I am somewhat plus size and it said true to size, so we'll see. But even if it's a little bit big, that's fine. If it's a little bit tight, I'll wear a small shirt over it. So let's get to opening this. So this is from Spreadshirt, and I have orange duct tape over my address. So this is from Spreadshirt, is the company that makes her shirts. And let's go ahead and see what I got. All right, I'm taking off the size so you don't have to see, although it already says it on it. But, oh, I love it, guys. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I got the multiple bee pattern. Can you see it? There you go. The multiple bee pattern one. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice cotton, soft blend. It's a men's shirt because the women's cuts tend to go in a little bit too much of the waist for me. And I like having a little bit more space when I'm wearing a shirt. So let me go try it on and I will be right back. All right, what do you think? I love it. It fits wonderfully. It's not too tight around the waist. And well, let's see if I can make the camera go down a little. It's long enough that I can wear it with my leggings and still be comfortable. So that is really, really exciting. And I love the bees. I love the pattern. This shirt comes in multiple colors. It's hard to know where to put the mic because I'm trying to be demonstrating the shirt. But it comes in multiple colors, the shirt, and then these are the bees. We got a little ones in the distance. We got ones up close. And I love purple. And I like this. It's kind of a lilac purple color, which is fantastic. I'm really excited about that. It fits nicely. She had mentioned the arms can be a little bit more snug and there's plenty of space in the arm. So I'm really happy. I'm going to wear this the rest of today. And it feels like the design on here is nicely affirmed. It doesn't, you know how sometimes when you buy a shirt, it feels like it could come off any second. This feels pretty solidly on there. And this is my second shirt I've had from a YouTube channel and I want all of them, but this one I'm super happy with because I love bees. I love attracting pollinators to the garden. And also I love how it reminds me of the channel and the good times on the live and other things. If you're interested in buying a shirt of your own, and by the way, I love the neckline on this thing. If you're interested in buying a shirt of your own from Adrienne from, make sure I say this, Spreadshirt. Yeah, Spreadshirt Inc. I will include a link to her shop in my show notes, so definitely check it out, as well as a link to her channel, which I also highly recommend you check out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so, and otherwise, I'll see you next time.